Others see maintenance as a regret cost. You know it's fundamental to making production safe and reliable. But it's a challenge. You need to protect planned production, minimize unplanned outages, and fight the constant tug of war between production targets and your planned maintenance. You never have enough resources to do everything. So how do you best apply your forces to minimize production losses? And how do you lead your organization to switch from viewing maintenance as a regret cost to realize its role as a throughput enabler? Our proven method improves both agility and reliability. You'll end up minimizing unplanned breakdowns and production losses. You'll shrink your turn times and reduce unbudgeted costs. Backlogs will be minimal and adherence to schedule will go through the roof. By engineering better ways to collectively do better work, you'll finally bring a new sense of harmony to the production and maintenance teams. Get in touch, and together we'll redefine what's possible.